welcome. So, have you ever felt like you're just not getting what you want out of AI? Like you're wrestling with it just to get something useful? Well, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to completely change how you talk to AI, taking you from just guessing to, well, genius. Let's get right into it.
Does this look familiar? You ask your super powerful AI for something creative, something insightful, and what you get back is, well, it's just bland. It's generic, totally uninspired. It's a really common frustration, and honestly, it can make you wonder if all this AI hype is even worth it.
So, why does this keep happening? Well, we're basically stuck playing what I like to call the AI guessing game. We've got this incredible, world-changing technology, but for some reason, the stuff it spits out often just sounds painfully average.
It's such a weird feeling, isn't it? Deep down, that this tool has enormous potential. But in reality, what it actually gives you feels flat, unhelpful, and just a million miles away from the amazing results you were hoping for.
Okay, but here's where we flip the whole thing on its head. This is the key. The problem isn't the AI. It's us. It's the prompt. The power to get truly exceptional results, yeah, that's been in our hands the entire time. So, how do we actually use that power? Well, there's a specific skill for this, a kind of secret key that unlocks everything the AI can do, and it's called prompt engineering. And let's be really clear about what prompt engineering is. It's not some crazy technical coding thing. It's actually just communication. It's the skill of crafting the perfect instructions to guide the AI exactly where you need it to go. It's how you go from being just a user to being the director of the whole show. This is the big shift right here. You stop just throwing random requests at the wall and hoping something sticks. Instead, you enter a world of guaranteed efficiency, where you can get the high-quality results you want pretty much every single time. All right, so let's get practical. It's time to stop making these random requests and start building our prompts like an architect, with a clear plan, a real purpose, and a detailed blueprint for the AI to follow. Just look at the difference, seriously. On the left, that basic prompt, it's so vague, it leaves everything up to the AI's imagination, so you're gonna get a generic email. But on the right, that's the architect. It gives the AI a role, an audience, a tone, and a crystal clear goal. Now the AI knows exactly what it needs to build for you. I absolutely love this idea. You're not just writing a command, you're taking on a role. You are the marketing architect, and you're designing the entire strategy that the AI is gonna help you execute. It's just a much more powerful way to think about it.
And you know what the best part is? It's a super simple formula anyone can use. First, you assign a role. Tell the AI to be an expert. Second, give it context. What's the background here? Who is this for? Third, define the goal. What's the one thing you need this to achieve? And finally, specify the format and tone. Do you want bullet points, a formal paragraph, make it friendly? Tell it. That's it. Just 4 simple keys to a perfect prompt.
Okay, so what's the big payoff here? What actually happens when you master this skill? Well, the benefits go way, way beyond just getting a better email written for you. Look, this isn't just about saving a little bit of time, though it for sure does that. Getting good at prompt engineering can literally transform how a business runs. It can streamline everything and open up completely new doors you might not have even seen before. And just think about where you can use this. We're talking about next-level marketing and content. We're talking sharper business strategy. And yes, we are absolutely talking about creating entirely new ways to make money. And this isn't some abstract idea. The source material for this actually points out 15, that's 15, different lucrative side hustles you can start right now with just this one skill. These are real, tangible ways to earn an income, all powered by knowing how to talk to an AI. That's really the bottom line here. The AI revolution isn't just about new tech, it's an economic shift. It is literally creating a brand new generation of entrepreneurs who can build things faster and more efficiently than ever before. So, we've walked through the problem, the solution, and the incredible results. Now, it's all about you. It's your turn to take this and start building something amazing. And please, remember the most important thing. This is not some special skill just for coders or engineers. It's a communication superpower. And it's for everyone, marketers, writers, business owners, students, anyone who wants to tap into what AI can really do. So I'll leave you with this one question. Now that you have the blueprint of an architect, now that you know you have this superpower at your fingertips, what are you going to build with your very next prompt?
Thanks for joining me.